Hey, welcome guys. In this video I'm doing an unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Box 4K Ultra Media Player. This is a media player running Android TV, so it has a whole bunch of apps listed down below at the box, which apps are available, as well as some features listed on the side. Here's some other features listed on the back, but the gist of it is that it's an Android media player, Android TV media player rather, and it does have access to the Google Play Store, which accesses Android TV apps. So they are like putting heavy emphasis on that, as well as that being it's a 4K media player that supports 60 frames a second and HDR content, which is a pretty impressive feat considering its low price tag. So let's get the device out of here, and that is small. Like I knew it was small, but this is much smaller than I anticipated. I guess because it is on the cheaper side, the components aren't the beefiest, but it allows for the good compromise of a small body. So we're on the back. I'm just taking a quick look. It looks like you have one per power, USB port, HDMI, as well as 3.5mm. At the front, it looks like the remote sensor, most likely. But continue on with the other contents. Let's see what else we have in here. So, special offers. Looks to be trial accounts for certain services like Pandora and stuff like that. There's some trial codes in there and discounts for subscription services. Then of course the instruction manual, very straightforward. I mean, look at this installation guide. It's just, there's nothing really to it. It's pretty straightforward, right? Okay, so let's get that out of the way. And what else do we have? Just more documentation and safety and warranty information, all that boring mumbo jumbo stuff. And it's continuing on. They do include an HDMI cord in the box, and as well as the power cord. I'm not a fan of this power brick because the style of it is that it takes up multiple spots on your power bar. For such a small compact device, it just seems kind of odd. They could have made it narrower and taller instead, but it is what it is. It's fine. And lastly, from what I can tell, is the remote and the batteries. So the remote was like really snug in there. It's really kind of stuck. It's kind of weird. So I'm just kind of struggling to get that out. Okay, finally. So it looks like it's Bluetooth powered, which is rather interesting. It's a Bluetooth remote, so technically even if you have something obstructing its line of sight, it shouldn't interfere, it shouldn't really matter. The remote, very easy to touch all the buttons. They seem very close together, which is how it should be. So it makes that pretty nice to use. And that's pretty much it. So you can find the link to the review video in the video description. Be sure to hit the like button, check out my social links in the video description as well. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.